Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create the sunray effect in a photo on CapCut Mobile. So first you just need to add a background and then add the picture you want as overlay. And after that, adjust the position and size. So I place it at the bottom and put it in the center like this. Now go to animations and then add the slide up animation for this picture. Slide up. Okay, this one, and then click on the check icon and go to where you want the rays effect to start. I'm going to start here, and after that add the ray sound effect as overlay. I'm going to use this one, adjust the size and position like this, and after that go to animations and then select the zoom in. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and now find layer and then select one. So now the ray effect will be behind the person, and after that add two keyframes where the animation start. Okay, this one and here. Now on the second keyframe, rotate the rays effect to 90 degrees like this. And you are done, and this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.